Hey guys, so before we get started with today's video, I have a couple administrative things to talk about. The first one being related to what you just heard, which was a bird. I'm filming outside on my balcony just because I want to be outside. It's a really nice day and I'm just testing it out. It's kind of a nice background with the brick, I don't know, but because of that you might hear some stuff in the background. Birds, dogs, people, who knows? And so we're just gonna see how this goes. Hopefully it's not too distracting. It's really quiet right now out here. It's not the street, it's like the inside area for the apartments in my neighborhood, if that makes sense. So just fair warning for that. The other administrative thing that I wanted to go over, just because I always get asked where I get my colors from, this one is from Jane Nevermore. I'll have her shop info and everything linked down below. So that is all of the administrative stuff that I had to talk about. Before we get into today's video, which is a really exciting video, I have some stuff from Vesper Moth to show you guys. And so if you are not familiar with Vesper Moth, it is the company, the brand of Manic Moth. And if you're a subscriber of mine, then you have seen Manic Moth in my Attitude Fest vlog. So I've met her a few times. She is a super sweetheart. And so Vesper Moth is her brand and she hand makes everything, and she does work with her partner, Panic Pug. And together they create some super dope stuff. I haven't opened this yet. I was waiting to open it on camera. Really excited. I don't know what I got. This is going to be partly a surprise. I do know, I think, one item that I got that would be from Vesper Moth Fashion that you guys will see in a second. But for the rest of it, she just asked me to send kind of like my favorite pieces out of the Vesper Moth collection, and then she would pick them from there. And so Manic Moth did send these to me for free to have as a gift, but also of course to show for you guys, because I really think that you guys will like her stuff. I've been following her stuff for a while. I've been following Manic Moth on the internet for a couple years now. She also is a YouTuber. She has some really beautiful lookbooks, some vlogs, super dope makeup tutorials, hair transformations, all that good stuff. So definitely go check her channel out. She also has like the most calming voice in the world, and so if you haven't already seen any of her stuff, I highly recommend it. Like I said, I've been subscribed for a while, following her on Instagram for a long time, which is another place that you should totally check her out. And I guess I will stop gushing about Manic Moth specifically and how great she is and her content, and we can get into how great her designs are and her fashion content is. So let's do it. Sorry to ramble so much, but that's just, I don't know who I am, whatever. I haven't sat down and filmed a video in a while, so this is how it's going. Okay, so opening this up, and oh ho ho, now this is cute. Oh my gosh, you guys know that I'm like a sucker for packaging, and so this is how this has come out. So cute. I love this. Such good vibes. Alright, so let's just dive right in, and so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so opening up the first cute little package. See what it is. Okay, so it's very securely wrapped in bubble wrap, so give me 1 second to undo this all. Man, the birds are awake, which makes sense because it's like 3 p.m. But they're, oh shit. Ah! Okay, so this is the first necklace piece. Oh my god, wow. So this is one of my favorite designs for Vesper Moth, and in person it's like even more gorgeous. Like holding it in my hand is definitely a different experience, and so this is dope as hell. And so wow. Information will be in the description, and hopefully you guys are okay with this background track of birds. I am. They're adorable. I love the birds here. But wow, okay. And so it comes with these cords that you can, you know, tie and adjust yourself, which I love. I see a lot of people wearing them, you know, down like low on their chest. I see a lot of people wearing them up high. Like, I love the fact that you can totally adjust this, and then even, you know, if you wanted to, you could take this off. And so I do have an idea that I maybe want to do with the Vesper Moth necklaces, that I'll try out at the end of the video, and if it works I'll share with you. But as for now, we can maybe like put this. So this is this one. I'm already stoked. This is like already the best day ever. And so now for the second one, let's see what's going on in this one. Ooh, what is this one? Ooh, wow, okay, all right, wow, look at this. That's so great. Holy shit. Okay, wow. Yeah, these are definitely like even better in person, which I feel like these days is kind of hard to do because I don't know, so much is like, I feel like things get so showy. There's a lot of like, not like designers on Instagram, but like brands, like wholesale brands, where everything just like is perfected for the photo, but then in real life it's like, I could have just bought this on eBay for $2. But this you could definitely not buy on eBay for $2. Like, wow, I'm so in love with this black stuff down here, and I wish I like knew more about the process for making these so that I could give you guys a thorough explanation of what's happening. But all I know is that it's beautiful and I love it, and yeah, I don't know, that's so weird. Like, it looks better in person. That's so cool. They already look super dope on Instagram where I see them, but now in my hands, especially in like the sunlight, I don't know. And now I wonder, is it gonna show for you guys how great this is in my video? I hope so. Just because just by itself it's like dope as hell. And the great thing about Vesper Moth is just how unique all of the designs are. And of course, if you like crystals, great crystal designs, and I feel like a lot of crystal designs these days are really basic. They're just like wrapped in a wire or just whatever, but this is so far from basic, so far from like anything you can find in stores, 1, anything you can find anywhere else, 2. If you love unique stuff, if you love handmade stuff, if you love supporting independent designers, if you love supporting the nicest people on the planet like Manic Moth and her partner Panic Pug, then Vesper Moth is 110% for you. Exactly. God, the birds were like so quiet all day until I got out here. Is it me? You guys want to be in my YouTube video? You can just come over. And of course, all links will be down below if you want to get this specific pendant necklace or this specific one. And Vesper Moth doesn't just do pendants and necklaces. There's also a lot of really beautiful earrings, and then there are like other really great kind of like metal working earrings that aren't actually metal. It's a really cool process. They 3D print and then hand paint things, and when I found that out I was stunned. I thought everything was like full-on metal, and then I met Manic Moth in real life and I like felt the earrings and I was just like, are you kidding me? So definitely go check out all of Vesper Moth stuff because there's a lot more than just this. Oh, and the antler stuff. Yeah, the antler stuff is like beyond. The antler stuff is the things that sell out, like this, because she does like one-of-a-kind pieces in collections and then posts about it on Instagram and her Patreon now, and then they sell out instantly. That's like a whole other side to the Vesper Moth stuff. These you can order on Etsy. Of course, each one is like unique in that you can't exactly replicate the same one over and over. From what I've seen, each one is slightly different because they're all handmade, but especially the antler stuff is super one-of-a-kind and very hard to get. It's like rare Vesper Moth versus this stuff, which is more accessible. Sorry for being so rambly in this video. That's just how I make videos. I have to accept it, that I just talk too much, and I can try to edit some of it out. So the last item that I have to show you is actually from Vesper Moth Fashion, because it is this tank top. This is one of a couple t-shirt, tank top, long sleeve designs. I think they come in long sleeves as well. I love this design because guess who loves skulls? Me. And guess who also loves mushrooms? Me. Fucking love mushrooms. Yeah, holy shit. And so she said that these run small. Or no, they run loose. The fit runs loose. So I'm usually a size small in things, but she sent me a size extra small. So I'm excited for that because I do like my tank tops to be fitted. So I will try this on, and I will also throw this one on so we can kind of see how everything works together. And then if my trick with the collar works, then I'll show you guys that. So I'll be right back. Alright, so here is the tank top on. It fits me honestly perfectly. So Thank you for giving me the extra small and not the small, because this is exactly how I would want it to fit. And it is so comfy. And I love the design, love the skull, love the crystals, the fern leaves, the mushrooms. Awesome. If you are familiar with me and my channel, then you know that I love black crop tops and black tank tops. It's like the only thing I wear. And so now I have one that's like actually like a top. It's actually fashionable. It's actually something and not just plain black like I always do. And here is the other necklace on. Love this. I think it hangs so beautifully, and of course it goes so well with the Vesper Moth fashion tank top. Definitely some very good creative planning going on in the brains of Manic Moth and then the Vesper Moth fashion co-person, which is Reverse Magic, I think. But anyway, here this is. Love it. And it's made out of like fair trade material. I'm definitely super excited to have this, to wear this, add it to my black tank top collection, and now of course my Vesper Moth collection. Okay, so this is just for demonstration purposes only because I know it doesn't look quite right, but this was my idea. So I'm gonna play around with this and try and find one that maybe looks like it's on purpose, because you can still see the little ring back here. Okay, so I think I found a good match. And so this is just a basic like strip collar. It's literally just a black band that my aunt got me for Christmas, I think from H&M. Can't remember. But yeah, I just tied this to it and fucking look. There we go. Feeling a lot better about how this one looks versus when I just tied it to my other collar that I wear. And holy shit. Feel free to comment down below and let me know what you think of this pairing, of the styling of the Vesper Moth pendant. What do we think? How do we feel? Especially for me, someone who doesn't really wear necklaces, this might be the perfect way for me to wear the Vesper Moth pendants because, boom, on a collar. But I want to know what you guys think, because I am kind of bad at knowing if things are actually cute, which shouldn't matter. It should just be how do I feel about it, how do I feel wearing it, but I would like to know your opinion. So comment down below and let me know if this is working for you. Would you wear this? How would you wear Vesper Moth? Which one is your favorite? I have so many questions. I think it works. And I kind of like the added texture of the cord also wrapped around. And the last thing that I want to do with this video is see how this one looks, and so I will be right back. Okay, so here is that collar, and oh my god, I love this. Like, I'm so happy that this worked out. I think it's great. I love this, and it's also great because now I'm getting like use out of collars that I don't wear super often. I definitely have like my two main collars that I wear all the time, but now I can add this one and the other one into the rotation, and they can just look even cooler. Looks so extra. I love this. I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this now. Of course, I will definitely try to be wearing the Vesper Moth necklaces as necklaces with that cord and kind of play around with the different lengths and stuff, but now that I know that this does work as like a collar, then hell yeah. Again, please feel free to comment down below and let me know what you think of this styling and the way that I'm attaching this, the way this looks. Do you think it's just like a no-go completely? Do you like it? Would you wear it? All that jazz. Let me know down below. But as for now, I think this wraps up our look at Vesper Moth and then Vesper Moth fashion. Go check out the Instagrams, the Etsy shops, the Facebook pages, the YouTube channels. I just want to say thank you so much to Vesper Moth for existing, for having such beautiful designs, and for gifting me some to show off to you guys. And this is a really good place to end the video because the daycare that I live above just let some of the kids out to play. So I'm going to try to end this real quick. Thank you for watching. Don't forget you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter and all of my other social media platforms. I'll have them linked down below. Feel free to subscribe if you're not already, especially if you'd like to see more fashion-y stuff, because I have a few more videos in the works. Thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Okay, one of those is gonna have to work because they're out to play.